For professional commercial filmmakers like me, a reliable handheld gimbal is a must in my arsenal. In fact, the latest release AK4500 from FeiyuTech is my weapon of choice. Every change of settings can be done with just swaps on the LCD touchscreen, fast and lethal. AK4500 defines the latest and greatest user experience for every filmmaker. Mount gadgets of your choice the way you like, with the AK series dual hand grip. Also, the motion sense remote comes in handy for the two-man squad. When shooting from a lower angle, the grip comes handy with a remote. Only weighs 1.8 kilograms without special tools, I can simplify my setup when I choose to go light. AK4500 can be set to 360 auto rotation with tabs. Rotating technique is now easy for any user. For portrait shots, one press is all you need. In action mode, motor sensitivity is adjusted for rapid following.
I enjoy my travels to discover and record the fascinating world of wonder. AK4500 is my trusting companion. The upgraded 4.6 kilogram payload can handle any lens. Now, I can have smooth stabilized footage anytime I want. Just point and shoot. 3-axis locks and double-deck quick-release design enables easy setup switches. Never miss a scene you desire. The motion sense remote gives you another hand when you need it. Time-lapse action can be achieved with just simple steps. Magnificent star trails can be captured with reliable powerful motors. To ensure a long shot, 12 hours of battery life makes it possible. AK4500 is truly a perfect all-round gimbal that carries out your genius visions and thoughts in a simple and reliable way. AK4500 redefines professional gimbal.